This is chapter 3, oh my god. Really just robbed the whole place. Like the whole place. Even Save-A-Lot, that sign, the blue sign. And Family Dollar and Snipers. It's behind that black and red truck. But yeah.
Red.
Look at what they did to this place. Everyone comes, but they don't say nothing.
Esto va a ser malo, malo, malo.
Dios mío.
Todo necesita
But this place will probably be
comida.
good in the
Todo
future.
eso. It's gonna
Yesterday,
be a
man,
drought.
lived in Philadelphia, so I
Fucking
cannot see
Ella
this.
no me dijo a mí que no iba a ser.
But yeah, look at what they did to
I
this
told
place.
you. You're gonna be okay.
What?
How the hell you get all of that?
What the?
Yeah,
No, this is evidence.
you already know. You already know.
This
I need
is
my
some
shoe.
evidence, man. Oh my god.
Did you find that on the floor?
No, they brought the whole car out.
Oh shit. The cops coming?
I need some shoes.
Mira, eso está en la
What is
Biblia, Mateo
Snipers, man?
24.
I need some shoes.
Que esto está en la Biblia, en Mateo 24.
Sit down,
Las
papi.
promesas que están en la Biblia se están cumpliendo.
Va por my phone.
No, porque tú dijiste. Tú hablaste mierda y estás haciendo competiendo
some
con
stuff.
ellos también. Ay, Dios mío.
Yeah, I told mommy it was going to be okay.
No, you sit down. And
Okay,
Daddy
vamos,
needs,
vamos.
Ay,
Daddy needs to sit down
Ellos
too.
pelean
We
ellos
out,
mismos.
we out, we out.
Wait a minute, what
Ellos
they
pelean
got?
ellos mismos.
They still
Nos
don't
sacaron
know
el
shit.
casquillo de esto.
Uy, no te línees,
No,
vamos.
no, espera.
Uy, no, ellos pelean con ellos mismos también.
Now we gotta go closer.
Yeah, go ahead and Save-A-Lot open. The Save-A-Lot open. Yeah.
There.
They even went to the back.
Esa gente
This
los
is
va, en la cámara los ve.
What are these people thinking
Cámara
about?
los ve.
They're really going to hell.
Lo malo es que no nos puede hablar nada.
Yeah, this